Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing another one of our family recipes, peanut butter squares. Go ahead, Mr. Ace.
Okay, Ace here, not D. So we're gonna start off with what we got here. Our ingredients today is 1/4 cup of margarine, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of icing sugar, 3.5 cups of, 3.5 cups of Rice Krispies, and we are gonna use a bit of vanilla. Okay, we're back over to the stove. We're gonna go to medium high heat. We are going to melt the butter.
Quarter cup.
And we're going to add the peanut butter. Oh, did you do our trick?
Yes, I did. Want to tell everybody what it is?
I'm going to tell everybody what it is. If you notice that most of the peanut butter came out of here, we grease or oil the measuring cup, and that allows the peanut butter to come out pretty evenly or pretty smoothly. Now, I need a spatula
One
to
second.
get rid of the rest of the...
You want to start?
Thank you.
Okay, now, so we're going to melt that first.
So we got to melt this together. Yeah. See, I got it even cleaner. There we go. So melt this all together. Da-da-da. So our next ingredients to get added in here.
Just sure.
Okay, we'll just leave that there for a second.
So far we put in 1/4 cup of margarine, 1 cup of peanut butter, and now this is going to be 1 cup of icing sugar.
Yeah, I just want to let this all melt. Still a few clumps. So Dee, this is not going to get really hot.
No.
Correct?
No.
We're just melting this stuff.
Yeah.
And mixing. Okay. So no boiling this time. Okay, that's pretty good. Get that all mixed in. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Same Rice Krispies.
3.5 cups or something like that?
Yep, 3.5 cups.
Okay, so this can be either,
Oh,
it can be
we should have
Special
put-
K as well.
We should have put the vanilla in before this.
Of course it'd be a lot easier to put the vanilla in first.
Okay, let's get the vanilla in so that way we can try spreading it out.
No, it calls for 1 teaspoon, but we love vanilla, so
We just put a cap.
we just gotta.
There we go. Now,
Do you want me to get you some gloves maybe? Or is it okay?
I think it's okay.
Alright.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, we're moving to the stove.
Okay, we got to go to the pan or to the countertop, so we'll be back in a second. Okay, so we're back. We got our mixture here. Now we take this here and put it into, we got an 8x8 pan here, I think it is. So we're going to put it in here. And I did switch over to gloves, as you can see. Again, these are food grade gloves. Try getting it as even as possible. And see, instead of getting your fingers all wet or all dirty. Now there's a topping to go on top of this, and Miss D is going to do that one.
And I will be back as soon as I get everything ready. So for the topping for our squares, we're going to be melting 2 tablespoons of margarine, and 1 cup of chocolate chips, So our chocolate is melted. Let's move back over to the counter.
Going to spread them really evenly over our squares. Squares have been in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to put them in the refrigerator to set, and I will be back when I cut them and show you what it looks like.
But first I'm going to wipe the pan down a little bit more. And we'll be back once this has had a chance to chill in the refrigerator. So back with the squares now. They've been chilling in the refrigerator for 90 minutes. I just put one on the plate to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to have oat milk with mine today. The recipe will be in the description box for you. We've made some minor adjustments to it just to improve the recipe a little bit. I hope you will try it. Until next time.